I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start on your mobile browser or the Google app. Make sure you're signed into the exact Google account linked to AdSense. Once signed in, open the AdSense settings page and review payments, because any pending balance may delay closure. Make sure to download or screenshot payment history and tax forms for your records, and double-check that no sites need ownership changes. This first step prevents surprises and preserves your records before you continue with account cancellation. Now navigate to Account or Settings in AdSense and find the Close Account or Cancel Account option. Taps work slightly differently across mobile browsers, so use the menu icon if needed. Read the warnings. AdSense explains that data access and earnings availability change after closure. Make sure you've removed ad code from websites or apps to avoid invalid traffic flags. Once you've confirmed removal and understood payment hold timelines, proceed through the confirmation, prompts to request. You'll see a final confirmation screen. Read it, then tap Confirm or Submit to finalize the close request. After submission, check your inbox for Google's confirmation email and monitor the payments page for residual balances. Google may process final payouts per its policy. If the closure doesn't go through or you can't find the option, try clearing browser cache, enabling desktop mode, or switching browsers. If problems persist, contact Google support from the Help menu and reference your account ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.